Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I'm not really sure if you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they basically should disappear. So to find proper option, we have to tap on the menu here and now scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and confirm it. And as you can see, basically here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the menu, the animation, the information we will receive when we are opening the camera for the very first time. So basically this is the first evidence, and here we've got the second one, so we cannot see the grid lines. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.